The Internet has evolved significantly since its inception, spawning the creation of global protocols, frameworks, and new classifications of developers. This has resulted in centralization difficulties, unnecessary complexities, and diminished quality standards loaded with vulnerabilities. The Nexus Tritium, Amine, and Obsidian (TAO) framework will uproot these historic flaws by recomposing digital relationships. This article provides an overview of the TAO framework, recent application programming interface (API) improvements and associated benefits. As a new era emerges, many platforms are driving excessive emphasis on blockchain. It is often described as an exclusive magical technology, motivated primarily by value speculation. This dilemma is similar to the Internet's, causing decelerated adoption and crippling costs while enabling proprietary industries to exploit deficiencies in hardware, wallets, patented products, etc. TAO framework Nexus views the blockchain as a foundational element of a larger framework. The TAO framework, named after the 3 phases of deployment, utilizes a 7-layered software stack powering a register-based process virtual machine. It is designed to deliver a diverse range of outcomes simplistically and effectively. The stack layers and descriptions are reflected below, with the ledger being the 3-dimensional chain, 3DC. Inspired by the Open Systems Interconnect (OSI) model, the design provides a scalable foundation with provable security properties. It abstracts the developer away from the blockchain, being valuable as a development framework even for conventional applications apps. Lower-level library, LELIL. The lower-level library, LELIL, is the foundation for the framework and interwoven throughout each layer to improve performance, extensibility, and reliability. Architecturally, it is an interchangeable construct requiring development of templates and modules for specific functions. The LELIL TAO framework is a series of LELIL templates and data models accessible through a JSON-based API, allowing any type of developer to improve their application's security, scalability, and robustness. The LELIL contains 3 main components: cryptography, (else), database, (LELD), and protocol, (LP). There are several representations of LELD in the stack, ledger, register, operations, and API. The (else) is primarily applied at the ledger layer, although it can be implemented elsewhere. As a component of the network layer, the LP is designed to be a light, fast protocol that allows a developer to customize their packet design and message interpretation. Additional information regarding the specific layer functions can be found on the software stack section of the Nexus website. TAO use cases for most businesses and organizations. Technology transformations translate to delivering customer value expeditiously and effectively. Typically, security considerations are an afterthought due to their invasive nature, high costs, and latency, especially with regard to user experience. Rapid yet tightly budgeted development is key to deploying on-demand services and applications with limitless scaling capabilities. To unlock this value while incorporating the necessary security for compliance obligations is an enormous undertaking. Included below are use cases and benefits that can be achieved. Cost-effective secure software development lifecycle, SISILs, identity, privacy, and elevated security solution authentication, authorization, and rights deployment, continuous deployments and integrations, consistent instruction sets for provisioning, multi-language application support, dynamic scaling, characters, quickly build and iterate. The remaining sections highlight 3 new API methods, including basic use case examples. Use as a PT race to standardize the identity industry has led to a wide range of protocol implementations. For instance, of SAMME, OpenID, and many other authentication options are just scratching the surface. In a previous article, Decentralized Identity, we discussed the risks and implications involving centralized credential systems, and solutions being created using Nexus. Currently, blockchain authentication relies on at least 256 by. You can read full post on cryptophans. News link available in text below.